Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I am Mohana from Home Decor Moods, and in today's video we are making 5 different DIY fridge magnets. Basic supplies we'll need are some magnets, these are from Amazon, some scissors, hot glue, fevicol, a paintbrush to apply the fevicol, some cardboard. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We take some pretty newspaper cuttings. I'm using newspaper cuttings because these are readily available at most homes. You may take pretty cuttings from a magazine, some photos, old pretty cards you may have lying, anything. We'll cut the picture to shape, then cut a similar shaped cardboard piece but a little smaller than our picture, and then stick the picture on the cardboard using fevicol. Bend the edges on the other side and stick. We then also apply the fevicol on the picture to 1. Protect it, and 2. Give it a sheen, and we'll let this dry completely. So for the second one, I'm taking the lid of a jar from the kitchen, cutting a piece of paper that will fit into the lid, writing this quote on it because we are supposed to cover our leftovers before putting them in the fridge, and this is the lid, and just sticking it in the lid using some hot glue. For the third one, I'm taking one of these. This is from a banner from my cardboard DIYs video from a couple of days ago. I have just painted a plant in a pot on it. You may paint anything you like, and seal this again by applying a layer of fevicol to it, again to protect it and to give it a sheen. Fevicol will dry completely transparent. For the fourth one, we'll need a toilet paper roll or a kitchen towel roll, some artificial greenery, and some paper. Our roll and cut it at a height of 2 or 3 inches. Then we'll cover it with some brown paper. You may color any paper that you have a little brownish to make it look like a pot. I'm covering the bottom first and then the sides. Then we place the greenery in the pot that we just made and add paper to it to depict soil. And it's ready. Fifth one, I'm taking some magnets I already have that I don't like anymore, painted them with black chalk paint. This is from Amazon. And then the fun part of writing on it with chalk. Keep changing this as you wish. You can write some quotes, some designs, just anything. I have some colorful chalk here and I'm writing open me and close me on it. This is a lot of fun, guys. You can also use cardboard pieces, paint them with chalk paint, and stick a magnet on the back and write on it. We simply stick our magnets with hot glue on the backs of all of these and we are done. How cute are these looking? I realize most of them are plant designs, so clearly I like plants, but you may choose whatever designs, especially for the first and the third one. I hope you liked the video, and if you recreate it, then I'd love to see it. So please tag me on Instagram at home_decor_moods, and thanks for watching.